It's looking so natural and realistic. I really like this wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I'm showing y'all a real quick, easy, beginner-friendly, like, we need to get out the house wig. This is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection, and I am hyped because the wig is on my head, and she was so easy to install. So I'm gonna tell y'all why I think this wig is so easy, and I'm gonna show you just a little bit of what I did, because I didn't do much, y'all. Trust me, this wig was really easy. So I'm gonna show you some specs, walk you guys through, and all that jazz. If you're new here, consider sticking around, hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up for me. Let's jump into it. Hello my friends, how are you guys doing? So today I have a wig that I've seen. I actually watched 2 reviews on this wig. I did cheat. Sometimes I don't like to watch reviews, I'm not gonna lie. But recently, this synthetic wig game, I mean, as much as I do like it, I love the quick ease of the wigs, I love the convenience, I love all of that. But I don't know, some of these wigs just aren't wigging. So I think the name is Chloris. I don't know. Y'all know they be coming up with the names based on who's on the staff of the day. So just some other specs. This wig is 24 inches. It's going to come with a 5-inch deep part lace. We can't ship this wig. It comes with that standard lace part. Natural baby hairs. Y'all know the jazz. Y'all know this stuff if you're not new to this game. So you're gonna get some combs in the front, one right here, one right here, one right here in the back, and you're also gonna get this adjustable band if you do choose to wear this wig glueless. You have this band. And then, this is what we like with the melted hairline. We're getting this frontal effect. We're faking it till we make it. So I like that, and I like the way, I think I like this hairline. Like, Outre has really been doing a really good job with these hairlines, y'all. Like, look at that hairline. It's looking really natural, and you're not seeing those harsh black knots. So let's go ahead and put this wig on, because y'all know I'll just be rambling my mouth, talking up a storm. Okay. Y'all, these reactions that y'all see is literally me trying on these wigs fresh out the pack. So what you see is what you get, okay? I like this wig. I already like her. I didn't put her on, but I'm liking the waves on her. I'm liking the way the cap feels. The cap feels good. Again, look at that hairline. I don't have to do nothing to that hairline. Outre, I'm telling y'all, they be listening. Outre just be listening, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace, cut it, melt it, because I don't do glueless. I don't really like glueless like that. Maybe melt like up to here just for a little effect, because I don't need to be, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna play some music and then I'm gonna wrap it up, but it ain't much to wrap up. This wig is cute. Let's play some. Try to make this really quick because pretty much this wig was like the easiest wig I have ever, okay, I'm lying, not ever, but this is one of the easiest wigs I have tried in a long time, y'all, and I'm excited. So you saw the application. I basically just went in with a little bit of spray at the top and some powder. I did not use a hot comb. I did not pluck. I did not do anything. Y'all, the sides of this wig is flapping because I didn't put anything on the sides. I didn't put any bobby pins. Like, I just secured right here. And do y'all see that melt? Do you see the melt? Like, seriously, this is so natural. I was debating on going in with a hot comb at the top here. It's not humpy, but I didn't know if I wanted to go in with a hot comb and kind of smooth out this part or just kind of leave it the way it is fresh out the pack. But because of the title and how easy I said this wig is, I wanted to show y'all how beginner friendly this wig is. It is so easy. I did use a little bit of serum because, you know, synthetic wigs, they're gonna fray and start to look a little bit more natural, but I don't brush out my wigs that look like this when it comes to wavy or curly, so keep that in mind. Do what you feel like you need to do with your wig in your life, but for me personally, I feel like the more you flip the wig and play in it and do all that stuff, it's gonna frizz out. I mean, I try to get the most use out of my wigs, and it's looking so natural and realistic. I really like this wig. As far as the texture goes, this wig is really soft. It's not coming off like synthetic-y. Y'all know, like them old synthetic curly wavy wigs. I think those days are over and we're definitely getting improvements when it comes to these synthetic wigs. This feels like a human hair wig, y'all. Like, it's really soft. I really like the texture on this one. It's not too shiny where it's coming off synthetic-y and plastic-y. If it is too dull for some people, use some serum or put a little bit of glosser on it and it's gonna shine right up. I love the knots on this wig. Like I stated, I think I did attempt to go in with a little baby hair or an adult hair or some kind of hair right there. I don't know what that is. The only thing is on the side as I was installing it, I did see, so I don't know if this is me or the wig, but a piece of the lace, it seems like it's a piece of extra lace. It's lifting right here. So when I take this off, I'm gonna have to inspect it a little bit, so I don't know. But for the most part, this wig is it. She is gorgeous, y'all. I took so many pictures and I made so many videos because she's a beauty. Like, I get it. I definitely want another color because I like it. I like it a lot. You could go in on the side and cut this ear tab. This ear tab is really long on the side, but I didn't feel like customizing this wig. I didn't feel like doing anything. I told y'all I felt like being lazy today, and that's exactly what she's giving me. Lazy, she's working wig, and I'm here for it. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think she's absolutely a winner. Y'all talk to me in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.